Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Accountitude. Again another journal for rectification of errors that is over here. The sale of rupees 296 to Krishna has been entered in the sales book as rupees 269. Here the point is that sale to Krishna, right? For the Krishna, when goods are sold to Krishna becomes the receiver, and we have made a sale, so it becomes income, credit all incomes and gains. So that's why the correct journal should be Krishna to sales with rupees 296, right? But he says that it has been entered in the sales book as 269. So where the correct entry was Krishna account debit to sales account, that is 296. But actually in the incorrect manner, what they did, Krishna account was debited with 269 and sales account was credited with 269. Point to be highlighted over here is that it's written over here sales book has been recorded as 269. When you open the sales book, it means that journal has gone to the both of the accounts in the wrong manner with rupees 269. So here Krishna has been less debited and sales has been less credited. What was less? 296 it should be, rather they took it as to be 269. So there is a difference of rupees 27. So for that 27 rupees we will pass the journal. Now Krishna was debited less, sales were credited less, so the rectifying entry would be Krishna debit to sales account with rupees 27 only. Actually in the books of account the journal should have been this, but they did the journal this one, they passed this incorrect journal. So we need to rectify the same, we need to correct our mistake. When we have to correct our mistake, what was done wrong need to be corrected. So wrong was this, we debited less for Krishna, we credited less for sales. So now the rectification entry becomes Krishna to sales with rupees 27. But if in any case, rather than sales book over here, it's written that sale of rupees 296 to Krishna has been entered in the sales account as rupees 269. Right? You can make a difference over here. Here it was sales book, but here it is sales account. It means what? It means that there was an error which was committed only in the sales account, so we need to make a correction only in the retrospective account, not in any other account. So which account is to be considered? For the opposite side of the given account would be taken for your suspend account. Thank you. Accountitude, keep scoring, like, share and comment.